Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Chris from chrischukas.com, photographer, filmmaker. I am going to go through a quick video today to tell you how I replaced the door latch on my Canon EOS 30, not a digital SLR, it's actually a 35mm SLR. They're great cameras, but the latch broke. I think the door shut on it on a funny angle and it broke the latch. So I got the replacement part for really cheap. I think it was about £3 or £4, I'm not sure. I'll put the link in the description below, so if you just like, if it's useful to you. I got it from a company called stuffuk.net. Really cheap, really fast, pretty impressed with them. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Before we jump into the video, just remember, whatever you do to your own cameras is your own liability. I'm just doing this because I wanted to fix the camera, so you know it probably will void your warranty, and I'm just showing you how I did it in case you guys want to do it, but I'm not telling you to do it, and it's totally at your own risk. So let's just see how it worked. That looks pretty much spot on to me, as you can see. So here's the cover plate. So this is obviously the new one. Underneath is a little notch. This needs to go in here so that these metal prongs, I don't know if you can see this, sort of, they're poking down a bit. So you want to poke them down so they're touching this here. So you want to hook it in. Careful you don't bend the pins. So there, spring loaded. Hey, see, that works. I'm just going to put 2 screws in here. You've got to be really careful that you don't if you like let go, it can just ping off and go crazy, so, and you lose all your bits. So always keep a finger down here. Okay, and then you just check it. Sorted.